So this is where these pencils come in handy. Now look at the end of that. Now if I didn't sharpen it, I cannot make a straight little tiny edge. It just doesn't work. With this pencil, you take that sharpener on there, you give her some twists, and you got a nice sharp edge, right? Throw it back on there. Throw that back in your hat just for a spacer. Now look how I can measure this tile. I want right there. Look how many marks I made with this other pencil. So I'm going to get rid of those now. And I want to put that mark precisely right there. That's where these come in handy. I'll tell you what.